Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jim Probasagari Channel, a faith healer, all Zumata readers. So ngayong hapon, natutugyan natin na nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a monthly gabay for the month of November 2023 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, welcome back to my channel. And of course guys, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal at siksik diglig na umapa o manambalik sa inyo. So guys, welcome back. So this is it. Nandito na naman tayo sa ating reading for the monthly gabay for the month of November 2023 for the sign of Scorpio. So, pinsahan na natin, guys. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ko ng isang pasabog at bulabog na mensahe para sa mga kapatid nating Scorpio. No? Tignan natin ano magiging kaganapan sa inyo ngayong November. Angel Spirit Guides, please give me the information. Okay, there's a Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands represent as, kumbaga sinasabi dito na slow and steady, panatiling kalmado, at kumbaga maging mahinahon na sa bagay-bagay or decision nyo sa buhay nyo. And of course, there's a Four of Coin. Protect your power, protect your energy. Mag-budget ka, no? Kumbaga, limitahan ng gastos, limitahan ng paglabas ng salapi or something na kailangan mag-budget ka at mag-save. Additional messages. And of course, there is a Nine of Cups. There is an offer, no? It's an offer na magbibigay sa ng oportunidad at ng pasabog, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito mag-ingat-ingat kayo about sa finances, 'di ba? Kumbaga sinasabi sa inyo dito na kailangan maging aware kayo, no? So let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is a Two of Coin. There is a balance. Kailangan maging balance ka dito, no? And of course, maging balance siguro pagdating sa mga offer. Kailangan pag-isipan mo muna. And of course, there is a Ten of Wands. There is a burden, no? Or responsibilities, no? Ang daming, kumbaga, ang bigat-bigat na ng sitwasyon mo ngayon dahil ang dami mo ng pagsubok at marami ng responsibilidad na pinagdadaanan ka ngayon. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is a Nine of Swords. So, suddenly, meron ditong anxieties, stress, deception. So, some of you, Scorpio, nakakaramdam ka ngayon ng, kumbaga, kagipitan or, kumbaga, stress ngayon, no? Let's see what is the Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands represent the Four of Cups. Re-evaluate or analyze, no? Tama talaga na kailangan pag-isipan mo muna bago ka mag-take ng action. Kung kakayanin ba, kung ilalaban pa ba, kasi hindi mo pwedeng ipilit yung bagay na alam mong magigipit ka or maiipit ka sa huli. At the same time, there's a Ten of Coin. Kumbaga sinasabi na saving money, protect your power, protect your energy. Kasi, kumbaga, kapag naging balance ka sa paggastos at pagsisave, magkakaroon ka ng long-term success sa long-term investments. Isipin mo lagi ang magandang ikabubunga, no, na pagtitipid mo. So, let's see what is the Nine of Cups. Or some of you guys, baka may pinag-iipunan or something na may pinaglalaanan. And of course, there is a Five of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's conflict, disagreement, or something. Itong offer na to, kumbaga maging aware ka. Kasi baka makadala sa ito ng komplikado or, kumbaga baka maipit ka sa sitwasyon. So, what is the Two of Coin? There is a Queen of Coins. So, sinasabi dito practicality about sa finances. The Two of Pentacles represent the balance. Kailangan maging balance ka at maging practical ka, no? Kumbaga, pag-isipan mo muna yung magandang kahihinatnan or something. Mag-grow ba itong offer na to? Kung mag-invest ako dito, kung mag-grow ba, magkakaroon ba ng benefits or something? So, what is the Ten of Wands? Let's see what is the Ten of Wands. There's an High Priestess. There's an unexpected moment, no? Some of you guys, kumbaga, or there's a hidden agenda. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, itong burden na to mukhang maraming kaakibat na problema, sakripisyo, or something na nakakaramdam ka ng bigat kasi may taong gumagawa sa'yo. There's an hidden enemies. Kumbaga may nagbibigay sa'yo ng pampabigat or pampamalas or something. So let's see what is the Knight of Swords. What is the Knight of Swords? There's a King of Swords. There is a King of Swords. There is a practicality. There is a practicality. Kailangan maging practical ka dito, no? About sa finances. Kung baga sinasabi sa dito, be wise and of course, maging matalino ka kasi na-stress ka dito about sa finances. Some of you na-stress talaga or nagkakaroon ng anxieties. So, what is the Knight of Wands and of course the Four of Cups? What is the Knight of Wands and the Four of Cups? There's an Eight of Wands. There's a fast communication na magiging mabilis to. There's an email or messages ka matatanggap. Kumbaga sinasabi dito na kailangan pag-isipan mo muna bago ka mag-take ng action, slow, steady. And of course, there is a fast communication or trouble. Meron ditong magbibigay sa'yo ng pasabog, na kumbaga kailangan matalino ka dito sa pagdidesisyon mo or magtanggap ng mga offer, no? So, let's see what is the Four of Pentacles and the Ten of Coins. What is the Four of Pentacles and the Ten of Coins? There's the Moon card. There is a moon, and of course, there's a dreams. Wow! A dream coming true. No, kumbaga sinasabi na ng the moon card, kumbaga may pangarap ka ditong maisa sa katuparan. Kaya kailangan mong limitahan ang iyong mga paggastos. And of course, so what is the Knight of Cups and of course the Five of Wands? There is a magician, there is a manifestation. No, may mga bagay na mamamanifest ka dito. Itong offer na to ay magbibigay sa iyo ng bagong eksena at kumbaga okay, kumbaga sinasabi sa ito dito mag-ingat ka sa mga offer kasi baka mag-reflect lang daw sa yan na mag-cause dito sa Five of Wands by complications. So talaga dapat pinag-iisipan mo yung mga kilos at galaw mo, paggastos, pagbili ng kung ano-ano, kailangan maging aware. So, what is the Two of Pentacles and of course the Queen of Coins? So, there's a Seven of Wands. Protect your power, protect your energy. Maging balanse. Kapag kayang ilaban, ilaban. Kung hindi kayang ilaban, wag mo ilalaban. Kasi sinasabi sa dito, parang protection mo yung sarili mo eh. Laban sa sarili mong multo or sa sarili mong eksena. Parang meron ka ditong kumbaga, meron kang katangian dito pag gumastos ka tuloy-tuloy. Or pag gumastos ka siguro dito parang pag ginusto mo. So, kailangan maging kontrolado mo yung emotions and of course, yung finances. So, let's see what is the Ten of Wands and the High Priestess. Ten of Wands and the High Priestess, there's a Two of Swords. There's a decision na kailangan mo mag-decision dito. There's a indecision, there's a difficult decisions na kailangan mong gawin, no? Or some of you guys, meron kang kailangan pag-decision na dito kasi nagkukusayin nyo to ng burden. So, what is the Knight of Swords and of course the King of Coins? There's the World card. Some of you, there's a trouble. Or meron dito sa paligid mo na kumbaga nagbibigay sa'yo ng stress or anxieties. Okay, the word represent the trouble. Okay, what is the outcome? What is additional outcome? There's a full card, a leap of faith. There's a process and progress. Magtiwala ka sa kaganapan sa buhay mo kung ano nangyayari sa'yo. Kasi may mga bagay na ilalaan si God, may mga bagay na isa sa katuparan, may mga bagay na mangyayari. No? Ayon sa panahon at pagkakataon. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an Empress card, a revert, no? Kumbaga renewal, magkakaroon ka ng mga panibagong eksena or panibagong kaganapan or a revert, muling pagbabalik ng finances and of course, muling pagbabalik ng good features or good kumbaga ng health nyo. And of course there's a death card from ending and a new beginning, a transformation. May magbabago dito, suddenly may magbabago dito talaga. Ang kumbaga changes for a lifetime. Kumbaga magbabago ang buhay nyo, ang mundo mo, ang pangarap mo, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito, kumbaga ang laking reflection ng actions nyo. Kaya kailangan maging aware. Kasi ito ay kumbaga isang pagkakamali lang mababago ng buhay mo o isang kaganapan lang sa isang hakbang mo lang magbabago ikot ng mundo. Parang ganon. Kumbaga kailangan maging aware at of course maging conscious ka sa kaganapan sa buhay mo. Kasi parang ito ang sinasabi sa dito, may katuparan at may kahilingan na maisa sa katuparan. Parang ganon. Let's see what is the angel's number. Bago tayo mag-proceed sa mga angels, bago tayo mag-proceed sa love oracle cards, mag-angels number muna tayo. What is the angels number? So, sinasabi ng angels number sa'yo, there's a 12, I am visionary. Oh my God! Iisa talaga yung sinasabi, there's a visions, no? A vision so, parang desires into reality. Kumbaga, kailangan nabivision, so kailangan nakikita may bigger future. Kumbaga, kailangan, kaya mo na siyang i-adapt na mangyayari to in the near future, no? 5 years, 10 years from now, mangyayari na to. Kumbaga, meron kang katangian by visions na kayang-kaya mong, makarating sa yung kay hinatnan. Ganon. Let's see. Creativity is a driving force in your life. Your imagination is a rich and you are able to express your feelings and insight it unique ways that others can benefit from. No, kahit ibang tao kumbaga, magkakaroon ng benepisyo, no, sa tagumpay mo. Kumbaga, hindi lang para sa sarili mo, para sa lahat to. Ang ganda, kabog ka dito. So, let's see what is the love oracle card. Siguro family rin. Siguro ang sinasabi dito na makakapag-benefits is either family related or something na nakakatulong ka sa ibang tao. Let's see what is the love oracle card. Okay, the runner. So, some of you, baka takot ka sa intimacy or something, kumbaga nakikinig ka sa sulsur or nakikinig sa ego mo or something na kumbaga kailangan pakawalan mo yung mga taong nagbibigay sa ng mga maling information or something na kumbaga nagbubuyo sa iyo, no? Kailangan sa sarili mo marunong ka manindigan. And of course, sunglasses. Some of you guys, there's a stalking, watching, looking at you. Kumbaga mayroon sumusubaybay sa iyo. No? Merong, kumbaga, nakatingin sa'yo 24/7. Taray! May human CCTV, team. Meron taong tumitingin ng mga galawan mo. Hinihintay yung pagkakamali mo. So, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. There's a garden. Some of you, kumbaga, meron talagang puprotekta sa'yo, no? At may gumagabay sa'yo. Pero because there's a twin flame energy. Wow. At the same time, let's see. Okay, there is an OA of earth sign. So, some of you, kumbaga connected kayo sa earth sign, sa Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, let's see what is additional messages. My God. Let's see what is additional messages. There's a failure. Kumbaga, minsan may mga bagay na hindi tayo nasa katuparan, may pagkakamali tayo na hindi natin maiiwasan. So, kailangan tumanggap ka ng pagkakamali na yon na matututunan mo lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo na kailangan mo pagdaanan ng pagkakamali, no? Bago ang tagumpay. There's an abundance coming in for you. No, may parating na magandang bukas at magandang buhay. Physically and mentally, emotionally and material, nothing. So, let's see what is the Jesus. What is Archangel Michael messages. Be gentle with yourself. Some of you, kailangan yung maging mahinahon at huwag ka maging padalos-dalos sa sarili mo. No? Huwag mo minsan pinipilit yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na ayaw na ng isip at katawan mo. And of course, self-respect. Kailangan mo respetuhin sa sarili mo. Nagiging abusive na to minsan. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. So, sinasabi dito, whatsoever you shall do will all my Father which is in the heaven, the same in my brother, sister, and my mother. Ibig sabihin dito, kung ano man daw yung dapat na ginagawa mo, no? Sa ating Ama, ganun din daw ang maaring mangyari or kaganapan na nangyayari sa iyong mga relatives, siblings, and your family. So, let's see what is the Monsology. Let's see what is the Monsology. Believe the impossible, no? Ibig sabihin dito, maniwala ka lang lahat ng imposible ay posible. And of course, you are very close to achieve your goal. Some of you, makamalapit na kayo sa katuparan, sa rurok ng tagumpay. At the same time, adjustment are required. At yung sinasabi ko na ba, mag-adjust ka sa sarili mo. May mga bagay na gusto natin, pero mas kailangan yung kailangan muna natin. So, let's see what is the energy. Let's see what is the energy. Attachment, no? Minsan na, kumbaga, maging aware tayo sa mga bagay or sitwasyon or tao na pinakikisamahan natin. Minsan, kung sino pa yung mga taong malapit sa atin, yung pa yung mga taong traidor, no? Attachment, maskara. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, maraming nagdodoble cara or something, traidor. And of course, there is first chakra, Archangel Gabriel. Listen to your intuitions. Listen to your gut feeling. Lagi mo pakikinggan ang inner voice mo. Additional messages. And of course, sinasabi dito guys, there is a messenger. Kumbaga meron ditong hinahatid sa yung mensahe ang ating mga bye-bye angels number. Kumbaga merong kumbaga may messages sa iyo na kailangan mo mag-pay attention. So let's see what is additional messages. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what is additional messages. Okay. There is a winter release, no? Kailangan mo i-release. A transition, may pagbabago talaga mangyayari sa buhay mo. Kailangan mo lang i-release yung negativities, yung mga bagay na alam mo hindi magsiserve sa'yo, ganun. At the same time, there is, oh my God, third eye, clairvoyance. Meron ka talagang spiritual abilities, no? Mukhang there's a spiritual activation. No? Some of you baka pinapatalas na ang inyong mga mata, ang inyong mga pakiramdam. No, let's see what is additional messages, yung insights. And of course, there is an author, no? Ikaw yung magsisilbing, kumbaga, magdidikta ng buhay mo, no? At ikaw yung magsusulat ng kapalaran na nakatadhana o nakalaan para sa'yo. And of course, there is an environmentalism. Some of you, kumbaga, sinasabi dito na kailangan, kumbaga, protectionan mo yung mga nasa paligid mo, no? Kumbaga, some of you baka kailangan mo ng mga halaman or something na makakatulong sa for refreshing. And of course, there's a children. Some of you may mga batang involved dito, or some of you may mga anak kayo, or some of you may mga kapatid pa kayo maliliit. So, let's see what is a Jesus loving quote. What is Archangel Raphael pala, sorry. What is Archangel Raphael messages? Archangel Raphael messages relationship. Some of you there's a relationship or there's a partnership. No? Let's see what is the chakra. There is a rejection. Some of you kailangan hindi mo pinapakinggan yung sulsul ng nino man, no? Kailangan makikinig ka lagi sa inner voice mo. At the same time, there's a instinct. I told you, di ba? Instinct, vibrations, intuitions, and of course, inner voice. No? Makikinig ka. And growth, no? Kasi may ugat yan. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka na expansion and grow dyan. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. What is the Romance Angels? Okay, there's a codependency. Ibig sabihin dito, addictions are affecting your romantic life. Some of you, there's an attitude or abusive or something, addictions na kailangan maging balanse ka. Let's see what is the messages of life. Okay, let's see. I am the light. So, let's see. Today, the light is within me. That light surrounds me. That light protects me. I remain light, feel my joyful. Regardless of what circumstances arise, I am a diamond shining in all my splendor. I am worthy of the divine with me. So, alam mo na kasama ka at kasama mo ang mga gabay natin na umaagapay at gumagabay sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin dito, ikaw yung magsisilbing liwanag sa sarili mo at nagsisilbing liwanag para sa iba, no? Kumbaga, makikita mo ang kaliwanagan sa lahat ng aspeto, sa lahat ng factors, sa lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo. No? Panatiliin bukas ang isip at pananaw sa lahat ng bagay. And there's a guilt. Some of you may galit, meron ditong involved na minsan mayroong taong may inis behind your back. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mong pakinggan ang instinct mo na kung ano yung gagawin mo or take in actions, no? Kumbaga maging maingat at mabusisi sa lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo para ang pagkakamali ay hindi na muling mangyari. So guys, this reading is This reading is a monthly gabay for the month of November 2023 for the sign of Scorpio. This reading is a general reading lamang, di lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!